What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are out far from home, out in Orange County. Yeah, we're at the Orange County Nike outlets. I think the outlet here is like the outlet in Orange, but it's in the city of Orange, in the county of Orange. It's weird. But yeah, so let's go see what's up, you guys. I'm not looking to buy too much. Not looking much for myself because I am waiting for those. I think there's two things that come out this upcoming weekend. This Friday, I believe. I believe the UNC 3s, UNC Jordan 3s are coming out, and then the Fairfax. I gotta get the Fairfax LeBron 7s. So yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. So I am just kind of looking around for you guys. If I find any really crazy deals for resale, I'll do it. But pretty much this visit is just more for content. So yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go see what's up. This place is always packed because it's an outlet mall. But yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. Let's see what happens. Hopefully find some deals. You can see from back here there is a 20% off. 20% off, you guys, the back wall. Let's see what we find. Where are my manners, you guys? Where are my manners? We're in the Jordan 4 breads, you guys. Or yeah, the Jordan 4 breads. Like I said, this place is always packed, but the deals are aplenty here. The deals are plenty. Size 10, 10.5, you guys. Got the up tempos. The Orlando colorway going for $80. Not too bad. Get that 20% off too. Let's see the Air Max Cloud, 97 Clouds going for $90. Get 20 off. I happen to come to the 10.5 now. These are the same $80, 20% off. Size 13, I don't know what's in the 10.5 or 10 area. But yeah, LeBron 17s. 200 Oreo colorway. Got some Kyrie's, the Enlightenments. Going for what, $130? Alright, 20% off of that. Of course, you gotta have some of these. The More Than an Athlete. This one does not have all the accessories. Usually, it does have the shrouds. It usually has, I think, a couple different shrouds. It has a blank one as well, and the Sharpies. And this is the one with the Sharpies, right? I thought. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's 200, 20% off. Okay, this is the cheapest we've seen these tailwinds. So size 10.5. I think this is my favorite colorway of the tailwinds. Going for $110, get 20% off. Zoom flies, $100. Seen those cheaper. The mint green 13s. Haven't seen these in a while. Right, because I haven't gone to too many resale stores recently. But yeah, they got them for $200. I don't know why they don't put these on sale, dude. They're on sale everywhere. They're on sale at every location. They're probably sold out because they're on sale. A lot of locations. 200, 20% off each. We've seen these for way cheaper. Metcon Flying 3s going for $60. Vomero 14s going for $65. You get 25 on top of that, 25% on top of that. Air Max 200, $75, 20% off. Got some Cortezes. I'm trying to remember the last time I've ever seen Cortezes going for retail. But it's $120 and that's some good leather though. That's good leather, but I just can't pay $120 for Cortezes. But yeah, whoever did, hey, good looking out. Left the box right there. Good looking out, dude. You know, sneakerheads love that. I think we're climbing into the size 11s. What, $130 for these, 20% off? I think those up tempo 95s just got off the hash well, but yeah, all of them are going for 60. No wait. Yeah, like I said, all of them are going for 80, 20% off. And the 9.5, I'm trying to squeeze in. Got a few of these. Saw another one in the 9.5 as well. The Black History Month Air Force Ones. It looks like these are getting returned like crazy. People thought they were rare, and apparently not, because we've seen a lot of them. Not my cup of tea, but if they're yours, hey, 20% off. Alright, this lady's posted up here. She's getting annoying as hell. But yeah, but not much anyways in the 9.5. There's really not much at all. So let's go to the 9s. 9 still plenty of these. Go for 65, 20% off the Vomero 14s. I was like, what Jordan is that? Yeah, it's not. It's an Odyssey React. $100. Overpriced and in the wrong box. 20% off. So that concludes the 9 section. Pretty much from there to there, that's it. Now I'm moving to the 8.5s. Got the what are these? The LeBron John Elliott's going for $250. Got some Chinese looking Air Max 90s. Got some Chinese written right there. Probably Air Max. I don't know. Not too bad. Stuff in. Oh no, that's that's Chinese on the outside, Japanese on the inside. Some Asian looking ones. Okay. Got that plus right there, and then yeah, some more Chinese writing. Oh. Wonder if these got resale. Oh well. Too busy. 140, 140, 20% off. Those are interesting pairs. All right, so yeah, from all the way over there, that's 9 all the way to the smallest sizes here. So there's just really not that much of a selection on anything under 9. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of walk around. So 7, same old, 20% off of those. We've seen these Air Max a few times, the silver bullet ones or something. Yeah, they're going for $180, 20% off. Size 6.5. I haven't seen these in a while, but the last time I came here, they had a bunch of these here. The Super Bronze, the size 7.5, the LeBron 16 Super Bronze. $159, 20% off. 270 Reacts, go for $100. The Antarctic, the Terra Antarctic, the ACGs, go for $220, 20% off. That's pretty much the small section, you guys. Not much. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up with the bigger. In the size 11, it's like packed everywhere, you guys. It's packed everywhere. Yeah, got the Tailwinds. These are going for $110, 20% off. Right next door, the Up-Tempos got these in pretty much every size, 20% off of $80. These are some dope Air Max 98s going for $110, 20% off. PG3s going for $70, 20 off of that. That's a pretty solid deal if you need hooping shoes. Got these foam posits. Oh, that's the cheapest we've ever seen these. $139, you get 20% off of that. So that's, or 20% off of that. So yeah, that's like what, 110 something? That's hella good. Got a few of these Pegasus in quite a few sizes. Oh no, these are the Zoom Fly 3s, my bad. Zoom Fly 3, I thought these were the Pegasus Turbo. Zoom Fly 3 going for $100, get 20% off. Full length React. And carbon fiber plate if you need to go running. In the size 12s, $160 for these. These are the Air Max 95s. These some Air Max 90s. Oh, these some rare ones. I've never seen these. What the hell? What are these? What is this kid doing? This kid's like moving random ass boxes, like making it pain in the ass for the workers. What the hell? But yeah, all right, dude. I've never seen these. Anybody know what these are? Well, my camera can focus. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. I like the colorway. Let's see. Let's see what it does say in the top. It does say Airmail University Anniversary of Airmail. Oh, this is some postage stamp one, but it has a crown right here. I have no clue, but this is 11.5. Might have some resale, you guys. I don't know, but bad boy is going for retail. You do get that 20% off. $140. It is a Air Max 90. All right, I did look this up, so I know what the hell I'm talking about. This is the City Pack, the Air Max 90 City Pack, and this is the London version. So yeah, go for 20% off, $140, not bad. Size 12, the Air Max SOAs, $70, you guys. This is a pretty dope. I did see these in size 11 as well. I forgot to get one. Just 2-pack here, you guys. But yeah, this is I think the Philadelphia Eagles colorway. So pretty dope retro, you guys. Pretty dope retro. All right, not much in the 12s. You got this Pegasus Turbo going for $90, get 20% off. That's a hell of a deal. Got these 12.5s right here. Going for $159. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Crazy how crazy the prices go up and down. Cause I bought mine for $100. That's nuts. Check out the size 13s. Got the PGs. PG3s go for $70. KD 12s, $90. Plenty of these every size going for $75. The Up-Tempo 95s. More of the Up-Tempo 95s. Chicago colorway, $80, 20% off. Oh, this is size 12. They got the React Flynet 2s going for $90. Oh, got these two. Damn, we've seen a lot of these. The Air Force One. This is size 14. Dang, that's pretty good. That's pretty nice because that's pretty much about the size 13s. Let's move on to the 14s. Do you got the Flight Positive? They got heat for the size 14s. Y'all need to come out here because they got these Air Flight Positive 2s going for what, $110. This is the, I don't know, is that the, I don't know. I know one of them is the KG. I don't know if it, I don't think it's that colorway though. Got the Kyrie 5s. This is the Mamba Mentality. Surprised those are sitting. Dang, size 14. Buck 10. Got the PG3s, go for 20% off of 70. Is that it? I thought there was more hype. Got the Phantom React Flyknits, go for $79.99, but this is the Phantom version. I thought I saw more heat in the 14. So I got some more PGs right there. You got these Air Max. I think this is one of the Air Max City Packs. Oh, this is size 10 though. Air Max City Pack. Oh, this is a Paris, France edition. Air Max 90 City Pack. Pretty cool. It even says 2020 right there on the shoot. I forgot what those things are called. The tip of the laces. What are those called? I forgot. But yeah, not too shabby. This is a size 10. You get 20% off. Let's go check out the aisles. This store, this Nike outlet does have pretty much like the biggest aisles, like the most number of aisles. If you can look right here, it kind of goes on forever, and it's two-sided on both sides, so it really does go forever. But yeah, I got the Mellow 13s, you guys, buck 59, pretty much size 10, 11, 12. That's pretty much about it. Soldier 13s, a few different witnesses, going for 80 bucks. Not really worth it. You got the LeBrons. Dang, someone just told me what colorway this is, and I totally forgot already. How retarded am I? I was like, hey, thanks for letting me know, and I forgot the colorway already. But yeah, buck 60 for those bad boys. What the hell? Yeah, man, they always got crazy stuff here, you guys. These are the Dornbeckers. The Dornbeckers and this. Ooh, look at that material. I didn't know that material was that nice. Ooh, what the hell? Wow, is that a satin material? I don't know what material that is, but oh. These are dope. These are dope. These are the Janowskis. Yeah, if these were on sale, I might cop, but they only got 11, 12, 13s, and 14s. They don't even have any of the, they don't even have a 10 and a half. Gosh dang it. And I did try these on, not this one, I did try the Zoom Janowski, and they're just too flat. The homegirl who did design these I actually talked to her on Instagram for a quick minute, because she, when I posted my Jordan 14 Dornbeckers, she actually liked it and made a comment, and I was like, hey, I know who you are. So that was kind of cool. But yeah, go for 90 bucks. These are, I think, the cheapest Dornbeckers. All right, I'm taking a look at these. I'm gonna see if I can fit an 11. I've never seen this. What the hell? Trying to save money on a shoe tree on a premium product, you guys? Come on, Nike. What's going on? What's going on? What do you guys think about these? Kind of dope. I kind of like the material. Kind of like the material, dude. The material is hella cool. The color is pretty dope too. Let's. I'm thinking about them. They are kind of tight, and they're actually way big on me. But you know what? Maybe not, because they are kind of big, and the sides are like way tight. They just don't fit my feet very good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pass, you guys. Gonna have to pass. Which ones are doper, you guys? Which ones are doper? I don't know. What do you guys think? They don't fit my feet, but I am a fan, you guys. These are pretty dope. I am a fan. Pretty dope. Got these Air Max Plus Quick Strikes going for 100 bucks. Guess they're $60 off. Not my style though. BB4s going for 100 bucks. The BB4, the Olympic colorway. This is what Vince Carter wore when he jumped over the French dude. Do I gotta show that video again? What the hell? Why not? Everybody loves that video. Good for America. Good for America. Thanks, Vince Carter. Air Max 95s. We've seen this at every outlet pretty much. Air Max 97 Clots. This cream colorway is dope. This is hella dope. Price too high though. Hopefully they go down like all the other Clots. I have no clue why all their 720s are going for so much. Maybe these are like the newer colorways. But we know this isn't. Like, why is it going for that much? Crazy. Did I show these 95s? I don't know. Elements. More Elements. The medium priced Elements apparently. And the ISPs, you guys, ISP Reacts. A lot of these aisles are some pretty generic sneakers, so yeah, I'm pretty sure nobody really wants to learn about or see how much the Nike free runs are going for. So yeah, we're gonna look around for some other stuff, you guys. Odyssey React, the Odyssey React Flyknit 2's got a bunch of them going for 69 bucks. Not gonna go look at all the colors. Place is just too big. Got a couple going for way cheap, 60 bucks. Oh wait, that's the only colorway. I thought all the other ones. All right, the kids section seems to have a lot more heat than the women, so let's look at the kids, you guys. Size 7s go for 60 bucks for the Air Force. Not too bad, not too bad. Got some Air Max 95s. Wow, going for 50 bucks and you get 20, so that's what, $40? Not bad. Phantom React Flyknits go for $60. Cortez, basic Cortez going for 45. And the size 6 now going for 55 bucks, 20% off. Got some LeBron 16 lows going for 70 bucks, get 20% off. That's a hell of a deal. 60 bucks for the Phantom React Flyknits. We're in the size 5 now, or 5.5, my bad, 5.5. Going for retail, $1.25, dang. 5s, you got some Okitos, the Air Max Okitos, kind of like budget sneakers, going for 55. Damn, we've seen these for $30-something. Air Max 200 go for 65. See what these LeBron Soldiers going for. The size 5. 50 bucks, that's really reasonable. 50 bucks, $40 for some LeBron Soldiers, not bad. Kind of too crowded here, so yeah, let's go check out the house. Got some Zoom Freak ones going for 70 bucks. Got these Zoom Freak ones going for 70 bucks too. Normally they go for 100, so a little discount. Some more going for 70 bucks, $30 off. These bad boys going for 80, the Soldiers 13s. Interesting colorway, I've never seen what's that, a black, gray, and a pink colorway? Not bad. 115, a little pricey. Speed Turf, 65. Got some Burrow Lows, which are kind of like some budget version of the Jordan 1s. Air Force 1s, we've seen these at a bunch of spots, going for 60 bucks. Some interesting looking Cortez, going for $40. Normally they're 65. Got the Jordan 4 Retro, these are the True Berries. Go for 80 bucks. We've seen these go for up to 100 and stuff. Hirachis, oh I'm sorry, I said Hirachis. The Prestos, not too bad, 55. More Prestos going for 70. Some 270 Reacts, Air Max 200s, more Air Max 200s. That's a hell of a good price for these 95s. This as well, Air Max 95, solid price. These are pretty decent too, not as good as the last ones, but yeah, they're all kind of interesting colors and textures, but not too bad though. Pretty good price. So they actually do have a decent amount of clothes on sale, but I kind of have to start running because I got a million other things to do. So yeah, this is one of the bigger outlets, you guys. I don't know. Someone someone mentioned that this is one of the smaller ones. I was like, what? I swear I thought this place was pretty big. I don't know, but we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. So I'm heading out. The lines are always crazy here. Lines are always crazy. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. I usually do like to stop by a few other places. There's a Finish Line just like right there. There's a Shoe Palace right there. There's also an Adidas store. They have quite a few sneaker shops, but yeah, I gotta hit up one more outlet and I gotta get home. So we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna make it short, but yeah. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Definitely appreciate watching this video. Definitely appreciate you making it to the end. I'm kind of glad I didn't cop anything because there's too many sneakers that I need to get. And I'm probably gonna have to get them for retail because sometimes you gotta pay retail to make sure you secure a pair. Even though my motto is I never pay retail, but there are exceptions to that rule, so it is what it is. Yeah, yeah. Make sure you guys help your boy out. Press that like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button, and make sure you guys click on that notification bell because I do drop a lot of videos, you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace. Dang. Sports treasure. There's a little sports shop here. Okay. Got quite a lot of stuff here. This little sports shop looks pretty decent. Might be worth visiting sometime. It says sale, man. You know, can't go wrong with the sale.